Want to reset all settings on your iPhone without losing data? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. From there, scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. You'll see a list of options. Choose Reset All Settings. At this point, your iPhone will ask for your passcode. Enter it, and then confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your iPhone will restart, and all your settings like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpaper, and custom preferences will go back to default. The important thing is your personal data, like photos, messages, and apps, will stay safe and won't be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully reset all settings on your iPhone without losing any data. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.